I get that goat.
In a world where timing is everything, one man struggles for efficiency. It's not right. There should be four. There should be four! He's mocking me. I can see it in his eyes. Why? This January, a movie event one day in the making will tell the ultimate story of revenge. He's taken everything from me.
It's okay, man. It's alright to cry again.
I have nothing left. This time, he's gone too far. When your life is no longer your own, when everything you know is wrong, that's when it's time to reload. I wish you had more time. Now, between good and evil stands a warrior, and the deadly game of cat and mouse begins. Yeah! Ah! A man can only be pushed so far before he pushes back. Payback never tasted so good. Yeah! The most important thing in life is efficiency.
Is he gone?
He's toast. Yeah! Alright! Yeah!